Now let's learn 2 marks questions from differentiations, which are important to learn basics of differentiation. And here suppose there is a function like, if you have x square minus or plus 2, then what is the, this is a function f of x. What is the differentiation with respect to x? We denote this with f dash, and x square differentiation is 2 into x. The power come as coefficient and power reduced by 1, that is 2 into x to the power of 1. From the formula, d by dx of x to the power of n is equal to what? N into x to the power of n minus 1. So what is the constant differentiation? Is 0. So the differentiation is 2x. Suppose if you have a function like some f of x is equal to x square plus 2 into some 4x minus 5, like this you have. Suppose you can do in either ways. First you can multiply it and then you can apply the differentiation, or we have, suppose this is a function I am assuming as u of x, and this is a function v of x, then f of x is in the form of u into v. F of x is in the form of u into v. Then in that case we have the formula d by dx of uv when you are doing the differentiation to the product of two functions. First you leave u as it is, d by dx of v, first we finished, plus we leave v as it is and d by dx of u. That is nothing but, in short term, if I write uv dash is u into v dash plus v into u dash. At a time we are doing only the differentiation of only one function at a time. Okay, this is the formula for u into v. Suppose if you have the fraction of functions, rational function, then this is d by, first we leave v as it is, v into d by dx of u minus u into d by dx of v by v square. This is the formula. First we will do the differentiation of u, then with v, and here the symbol is minus, by v square, that is v into u dash minus u into v dash by v square. This is u by v whole dash. These two are most important formulas to learn. Let us see a question. See, f of x is equal to x square minus 3 plus into 4x cube plus 1. Then this is in the form of, this is u and v. We have to apply this formula, right? D by dx of uv is equal to what? We know that d by dx of uv is equal to u into d by dx of v plus v into d by dx of u, right? Now what is the function f of x here? X square minus 3 4x cube plus 1. Let us apply the differentiation. Okay, therefore f dash of x is equal to, this is u and we write u I am leaving as it is, first function I am leaving as it is, and we have to differentiate the second function, plus first function, second function you leave as it is and differentiate the first function. Okay, now this one we leave as it is, x square minus 3. What is the differentiation of this function? See, 4 into 3x square, it becomes 3x square, 4 into 3 12x square, x cube becomes 3 into x square, right? So 3 into 4 12x square, this is a constant, it becomes 0, plus 4x cube plus 1 into differentiation with respect to x. So this becomes 2x and this one becomes constant is 0. So hence x square minus 3 into 12x square plus 4x cube plus 1 into 2x. You multiply it, 12x to the power of 4 minus 36x square plus 8x to the power of 4 plus 2x. What will be your answer? 12 plus 12x to the power of 4 and 8x to the power of 4, it is 20x to the power of 4 minus 36x square plus 2x is your answer. Let's do the next question. Here also this is in form of u into v. So what about f dash of x? V function I am leaving as it is. You can take first u function also, x square plus 1 into d by dx of e to the power of x plus e to the power of x I am leaving as it is, d by dx of x square plus 1. One time you have to do with one function only. So x square plus 1 into e to the power of x differentiation is e to the power of x. E to the power of x into this becomes x square is 2x, constant is 0. So here x square plus 1 into e to the power of x plus e to the power of x into 2x. We can take e to the power of x common from these two terms. So your answer is x square plus 2x plus 1 into e to the power of x. That's it. What is the differentiation of e to the power of x? E to the power of x only. Suppose if you have d by dx of e to the power of some 5x suppose, then what will be its differentiation? See, e to the power of any function differentiation is e to the power of x. So same function we will have. Again here the function is 5x. So we have to take the differentiation of this power also. This power is also again a function of x. So for this power also again we have to do 5x differentiation is x differentiation 1. So it becomes 5. So if you have d by dx of e to the power of ax, a is any constant, then what will be your answer? E to the power of ax into a. Right? Let us solve the next question. Given f of x is equals to e to the power of 2x into log x. So what about f dash of x? E to the power of 2x d by dx of log x plus log x d by dx of e to the power of 2x. See, I am leaving u as it is and differentiating v. I am leaving v as it is and differentiating u, which is equals to e to the power of 2x into, what is the differentiation of log x? 1 by x plus log x into e to the power of 2x differentiation is e to the power of 2x into, again it is a function of function of x. So we have to do the differentiation with respect to x for this function 2x, that is 2. This is called chain rule. This is called what? Chain rule. So e to the power of 2x I can write outside. Then what will be your answer? 1 plus x 2 log x is your answer. Observe the next question. So f of x is sin mx cos nx. Again uv rule. This is my u and v. F dash of x is equals to u into differentiation of v plus v into differentiation of u. So what is the differentiation of cos x minus sin x, right? If it is differentiation of cos x is minus sin x, okay. But here it is a function of cos ax you have, suppose. This is chain rule. Again it is a function of x. It is minus sin ax as per the definition into, for ax if I do the differentiation again you will get a. So that is minus a into sin ax we will have. So the differentiation of cos nx is minus sin nx. For nx the differentiation is n. So similarly for this also cos nx, sin mx differentiation is cos mx, and for mx if I do you will have m here. So n is a constant, minus n sin mx sin nx plus m into cos nx cos mx is our answer. Next question. This is f of x. I am doing f dash of x. F dash of x is equal to 5 into sin x. What is the sin x differentiation? Sin x differentiation is cos x, right? So cos x. What about this function? This is again u into v method. So e to the power of x into d by dx of log x plus log x into d by dx of e to the power of x. If you have a single function, you directly apply the differentiation, directly take the formula for that. And if you have combination of functions, it may be product or rational. So then whatever the formula you need to apply, you apply it. Here I am applying uv formula. So this is 5 cos x plus e to the power of x into log x differentiation is 1 by x, and log x into e to the power of x differentiation is e to the power of x itself. So what is your answer here? Cos x plus e to the power of into log x into e to the power of x is your answer. See the next question. This is the f of x is equal to 5 to the power of x plus log x plus x cube e to the power of x. Okay. Here you take the differentiation, f dash of x is equal to d by dx of 5 to the power of x, d by dx of log x plus d by dx of x cube e to the power of x. Once you observe here, we have a formula d by dx of, once you recall the formulas, d by dx of a to the power of x is what? A to the power of x into log a to the power of x into log a. So only we are going through the formulas. Here 5 to the power of x into log 5, log x differentiation is 1 by x, and here is a function u into v method, so x cube into d by dx of e to the power of x plus e to the power of x into d by dx of x cube. This answer is x cube into e to the power of x differentiation is e to the power of x, e to the power of x as it is into the differentiation for x cube is what? 3 into x square. So hence your answer is this. This is your answer. Next question. See, e to the power of x plus sin x cos x. See, f of x is e to the power of x plus sin x cos x. F dash of x is equal to what? D by dx of e to the power of x plus d by dx of sin x cos x. Again here u into v formula you have to apply, and this is anyways e to the power of x only, plus sin x into d by dx of cos x plus cos x into d by dx of sin x, e to the power of x plus sin x into cos x differentiation is minus sin x, cos x into sin x differentiation is cos x. So this becomes e to the power of x plus, I am writing cos square x first, this is minus sin square x. I know that this is a formula of, you can leave here also, this is 100% correct answer. This is a formula of cos 2x. Since cos 2 theta can be taken as cos square theta minus sin square theta. So in this way, by applying the derivatives, if you learn all the derivatives perfectly, you can do these questions very easily.